later, I've bought 27 cars. I've built 27 houses. Let me tell you something. I quit my 9-to-5 NHS job that was paying me £10, and now I'm making £1 million per year. I'm doing this one. I quit my this one. I quit my that one. I did my this one. I was working 9 to 5. I just finished at 10. Shut up! No, shut your death.
Wahala don dey finish my people. This video una just watch, so I go put am for una make una watch am. Una know say anywhere where you just go for social media, na digital business, digital market, digital products, digital questa, digital the other one. Then go dey tell una say, make una dey use una sense, una not go use. Most people, where they for they really they see money, they will never tell you the secret where they under. You see this digital product, digital business where everybody they talk about. If you just reach social media, they will say they don't leave their job. Now that one they can't they do now. You don't leave your job now. That one now you can't they do now. Make the customer they can't they pay money 500,000, 600,000. It still be like this juice plus where that time where they rain. No, everybody can't they run up and down. Even the money where they tell register, they know kukumasia. Person like me, you will never chop my money for free. Say make me. I call when I know say Google they there, YouTube they there. When I go right hand, they look at I go put up for them. Most of our people they don't know about all these things. Even to monetize Facebook that time, this as we they talk so. Many people they collect money from their hands. They make they come inside class. Say they want show they have to monetize. What is your day in front of you for there? Where we say you go feed do what is they? Or may you go ask YouTube. Anything where you ask YouTube, it go come out. Just tell and say how they tell they do affiliate markets. It go tell you video day or Oyibo they not they lie. Now make me a like Oyibo. If you just reach there, you go see them. They'll just they show you step by step. The important thing be you sit down, may you watch video. But these people, this digital market, they don't change them. They don't say, may they call they pay money 500,000, 600,000. People, I will put this video one I just watch, so I will still put some audio. One lady where be say she don't pay money. She said she enter inside the class. She don't know what she want to do for them. I beg go make the return her money come. Now get money to throw away. If the person where really they make now money, you will register. The other one register. The other one register. Now something you want go they say affiliate market is very easy to do. You don't need to pay 1 cent to anybody. You don't need to pay 1 cent to anybody. You want promote their product for them. If they buy, you go get your commission. Very simple. Just to be like this, click the orange button and go and buy your own now. I know say they don't see the turn and say they still they pay for that one. They know they pay. And everything now go just the make them they when they use you now. Click the orange button and it will take you to enemy and they will bring this something for you. The product is you just they advertise that business for those people where get that business. Anytime when anybody buy, you go get your commission. You understand? And not be all the time people they buy something. You know, I don't know why I be say then most people they know say most of our people they don't get sense. Let me then they use them. More than not they let people they use you now. Okay? If you want to do affiliate market, go on YouTube. Go ask. Go they watch some video. It is very, very easy. What you don't know, go YouTube. YouTube go. You go see video step by step. They go tell you how it they work. Affiliate markets, digital business. I don't leave my business. I am making 20,000. I am making 30,000. I am making this one every month. They just put una for mouth. Person where they really they make money for a business where they say no same money they come. He go introduce you to the business, make una they get sense. It will never. You see all these people where they say they get money, they don't ever sit down and tell you the way they make their money. Because if you enter there, you go spoil them for them. You go spoil the place for them. So they're not going to invite you, may you come. You see all this one, they go invite because they'll say the more you invite people, you go they make money. Okay, like say me and I get the program now, okay? Anybody where me I invite come, the money where they take the register, now me they go to. Do you understand? Because now me bring that person come. So now the person where be say may you can't register. Now she go collect all those money. If now 10 people all rewuwa, now no go get any to one. When I was just there, they look this something. I tell they work. You go carry the link. Go they put for social media. Go they put for somewhere. If person buy something, now you go get. If they not buy, you on your own. Make I put this video for now. Mona watch. Mona get sense. This money they not they sleep. They get time. A key digital business. Mona come pay 600,000. I want to show you how they tell they do this one. How they tell they do the other one. How they tell they sell something. How you wanted they do this one. How they tell they update video. How they tell they do the other one. Go on YouTube, my dear. They know they pay. It's free of charge. You go see everything step by step with video. Follow on the day where you know say you get time. Go watch video. Mona no dey let them they use you now. Now no yes say world day now for everywhere now. We never know where we want go end now. All the money we now get to now go give am to one person wey sit there yo. I beg you Mona come off from front because una they make people dey vex. They use una brain like say una no get sense. Una you hear say person tell you say they make 10,000. He don't they make this one and he still dey here. They tell you why you not follow. Why not just follow or they do your thing? If not be una money, they fine. Una bye my people. May I put the video for now? Please help me to love and like and share this video so that other people go get sense. Make them know say, make them not go throw away their money or in the name of say them tell them say that they make 10,000, that they make 15,000. Lie.
Digital marketing. With digital marketing, I've bought 27 cars. I've built 27 houses. Let me tell you something. I quit my 9-to-5 NHS job that was paying me £10, and now I'm making £1 million per year. I'm doing this one. I quit my this one. I quit my that one. I did my this one. I was working 9 to 5. I just finished at 10. Shut up! No, shut your dirty mouth. It's not people's fault. It's the fault of people that keep falling victim. Even their brain is not telling them because they lack contentment. This lady here, Precious, she's been dragged on TikTok. I'm not stopping her. I will never stop people's hustle. But the people that don't have common sense that keep falling victim of this nonsense is the one that I blame. Somebody can never come and tell me to come and buy anything. You can never tell me to come and join a team. Then I will not, after that, when I join, I will not bring 27 people. I will not bring 30 people. Are you mad? No, Shaya Wereni. I will never do something like that. So why at this day and age, many of you are still falling victim of this nonsense? This uncle here. Oh, wait to sing. No, all of you are civilization. And this one here. Oh my God. Oh, I was working for the NHS. I reported my job to CCA. I did this one, I did that one, I did that. Because yeah, when people are defending people, people will say that somebody is jealous. Kini afford. No, kini afford. You don't understand that just because people are not doing something at a certain time does not mean that they cannot afford it. It just means that it is not their priority. Oh, your mates are doing this one. Oh, your mates are doing... Shut your dirty mouth. Some of you are so dull. A dull. You are so freaking fucking dull. Why am I buying you ni? You will not hear some fool now. They'll come and talk and say, "Oh, you're this one." Oh, yeah. Shut your mouth. Ben a song. Because I don't understand, in this day and age, people are still selling people digital products, and they'll come and tell you that they make 60 million, they make digital. You don't understand that it's the one that they said to you is your money that they're using to do all those things. You've bought 27 house. Imagine to my sorrow. I don't want to talk too much. I just don't want to talk too much because it's in peace. It's in piss me off. Bad.
Hi, Victory. Good morning. This is the lady that speak with you when you're in the Zoom 2 days ago. I paid 600K with my Nigeria account. Please, I don't even understand anything. To be honest, I don't understand anything. Like you said that you're going to set up the account if you pay the money. That's why I paid that 600K. My sister, I am not working here in Canada. To be sincere with you, at least we're in outside country. Know how things is here. I am not working. I have a baby. I'm alone here. My husband is in Nigeria. So I'm trying to get a daycare to put my baby. But that money I have, I said, let me set up something for myself. So pay that money thinking that you, as you said, that you're going to set up the account for us. Okay, now I said that for 10 people that paid in time, that you're going to give them the, I don't know, whatever you call it. I paid in time. When looking at it, the full package I paid is not open. Not all of them that is open for me. Yes, because I was trying to talk to you since yesterday. You ignored my message. I was chatting you. But when you collected someone money, to talk to that person is too hard for you. It's not good, my sister. I know you are big, you have made the money, but put me in your shoe when you don't have that money. That is how I'm feeling now. But now you're relaxed. I'm begging with the name of God, if you can remove me from that place and refund me my money. I need my money back. I don't even understand anything. How can I just pay this money? I don't know with my I don't understand anything. I was calling you to try to explain things to you. I don't want to send this on group. I want to talk to you as a woman to woman so that you can do something when I understand me. But you just kept quiet on me all this while. Eh? It's not good. That is not how to treat your customers. We are your customers. When somebody does not understand, wants to talk to you on phone, someone that brought that kind of money and pay, at least you would have at least attend to me and hear from me. You just keep quiet. My sister, to be honest with you, I know you have money. That 600K is chicken change to you. If you can refund me the money, I'll be okay. If you go to the package you gave to me, you will see that I just check only the stand stop. Other ones, I have not even watched it because I don't even understand anything. Please refund me my money. I'm not interested again. This is not what I thought. Because as in, when I enter, at least I will see something different. My dear sister, if you like, you pay me. If you don't like, no problem. God will just see me through. That's it.
On the group, we have posted 3 other groups for you to join. For the main UWA, the main CWA group, we've posted it. You have not joined. We've communicated on the group. You have not joined. We've said it on the group that we have 2 classes for every policy set up. You've not seen it. You are complaining. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I poverty cause some. Because you know before what make you carry your money, give me. If I've not seen they talk to me and like I be small picking. You speak to me so rudely, so condescending. The other time they sent me your voice message. I was like, what? This is somebody that I called you. I even called what's her name? I called what's her name? That girl that has a baby. Monica to come and encourage you. I did stand stop policy said I not reply you. Me, I will see your message, I will not reply you. You have you message me that I not reply you. Every time my staff was replying message. Yesterday in morning, you say I not reply you. Today I just come from hospital. I go hospital. I still do webinar for AJ Couple Vibes today. I still reply people. You say I not reply you. I not blame you, not be your fault. You talk to me like a child, like an idiot that you are. Talk to me like say you're picking for us. Me, I not blame you. See that you don't have to say that you're a big fool. So let me show you something. Why I call you a fool? Because now I've called you a fool so that you know how talking to me and you make somebody feel. You see that you're a big fool that you cannot read. This group is almost full. I'm reading those who are in the academy so that I can create people for us to join. So you're a foolish person that you cannot read, but all you can do is to complain and to. That's why you are poor and broke because you cannot use your sense to read. If you are knowing the next time you send me nonsense message again in your life, I will block you so that you'll be talking only on the group. Because I called you. You know why your matter invests me. When they told me that you needed help, I called you. I said I was going to. Who they call me? Somebody they call me. I called you. I said I was going to help you. I took my time to break it down. But because you're an idiot, every day you come and send me derogatory messages. Talk to me as if I'm your baby at home. I don't blame you. Not be your fault. I'm going to send you this voice message. And after this voice message, I'm going to block you because I don't have any business with you. First of all, the academy is a self-taught academy. It's a self-taught academy, meaning that you learn in your own pace. You have what you paid for is CWA on school. I then put you on a mentorship group so that I can mentor you and guide you. When I paid for the academy, nobody put me on a mentorship group. Nobody mentors me. Nobody give me extra class. Nobody give me extra support. Everything I teach you on Zoom is already taught in the academy. But because you're a lazy human being and that's why you're still poor and broke, you've decided not to go and watch the video in the academy. I'm going to talk to you very rudely in this voice message. Then I'm going to block you. Because unfortunately, you message me when I'm very angry. And all the anger I have today, I'm going to push it to you right now. Because you have disrespected me and I'm going to push my anger to you right now. You paid for CWA. You didn't pay for me to mentor you. My mentorship is free of charge. But I give it to people for free so that they can get the best. You didn't pay for me to mentor you. You paid for CWA. You have CWA. What you've paid for, you've been given. You've refused to watch the video. And that's why Nigerians are poor because they don't want to learn. You refuse not to learn. Then I put a class for you to come and still learn what is already taught there for you that you have paid for. You come to me and said, what did you even say that pissed me off? That my manner of approach and customer service. I don't want to talk to you because I don't have customer service. I'm going to block you after today. If you need anything, I'm not going to take you out to my mentorship group. You will stay there so that at least you can be mentored by me, my students, my staffs. If you need anything, ask it on the group. Don't ever come. You can never come back to my DM. I'm going to block you right now. You can go and talk to Mercy. And if she tell me, she know me. Not the waste time. I didn't come this far by allowing people to talk to me in a condescending manner. I'm already very angry today. 2 people don't annoy me today. The 10% annoying me. So I'm pushing all the anger on you right now. I'm going to block you. 1, you didn't buy CWA from me. I don't know what you were promised at the point of sale. But you're not supposed to even DM me in the first place. It's goodwill gesture that make me even save your number. So that at least anytime you have problem, if I cannot help you because I'm busy, I'm going to tell my staff to call you quickly. That's why you have my number as a goodwill gesture. It's not a right. You didn't pay me 1 naira to be in my group. So I'm going to block you right now. And if I ever see you complain in my group, if I ever see you open your mouth to talk nonsense, I'm going to kick you out of my group. The person you pay to, you go and meet the person. I hate nonsense in my life. I hate nonsense in my life. Your 1 penny did not come to me. But I'm teaching you for free. I did not collect 1 penny of your money. I am teaching you in CWA for free. And you say I have bad customer service. Not be your fault, na poverty cause.
Level of wickedness and dishonesty it takes for you as a Nigerian to deliberately deceive other people is mind blowing. I just woke up this morning and I decided to do this video. I've been